Hello everyone, I'm David and I'm here to help you learn English step by step. Muraho mwese, nitwa David. Ndi hano kugira ngo twigane Icyongereza step by step. Are you ready to learn with me? Uriteguye kwigana nanjye? If you are ready, let's go. Niba witeguye, reka tugende. 5 ways to ask someone for clarification. Uburyo butanu wakoresha ubazamo amakuru. Ijambo rya mbere wakoresha ni pardon. Ushatse kuvuga iki? Would you mind repeating that? Ese wabisubiramo? Would you mind repeating that? What do you mean? What do you mean? Ibyo bishatse kuvuga iki? Cyangwa se ibyo bishatse gusobanura iki? I'm not sure I follow you. I'm not sure I follow you. Sinzi niba numvishe ibyo uri kuvuga. Could you explain? Could you explain? Ese wansobanurira? 10 phrases for remembering, reminding, forgetting. Interuro wakoresha icyo ushaka kugaragaza ikintu ko wakibagiwe cyangwa se uri kucyibuka. Ya mbere, I always remember. Nzahora nibuka. Kabiri, I will never forget. Sinzibagirwa. I have vague recollection of your face. Ntabwo isura yawe nyibuka. I have vague recollection of your face. It's on the tip of my tongue. Ntabwo ndi kubyibuka neza. It's on the tip of my tongue. Ntabwo mbyibuka neza. My mind went blank. My mind went blank. Byose nabyibagirwa. Nahise mbyibagirwa. It doesn't bring bell. It doesn't bring bell. Ndumva ntacyo mbiziho. It doesn't bring bell. My mind went blank. Byose nahise mbyibagirwa. Please don't forget to buy milk. Please don't forget to buy milk. Ndagusabye ntibagirwe kugura amata. It completely slipped my mind. It completely slipped my mind. Byose nabyibagiwe. It completely slipped my mind. Thank you for watching this video. If you wanted to learn more with me, don't forget comment and subscribe. I love you. I love you so much. I'm here for you. See ya.